Yo, hope everyone's well and having a great start to the 2024, to the new year. This is a ICT Silver Bullet between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. It's on his YouTube, so check it out. Shout out to ICT. So that grey box is on the 5 minute. There's a silver bullet. There's also a silver bullet on the one. Feel free to you'll be able to find it. It's in that grey area. There is a fair value gap. So yeah, we're looking at this wick here, this consequent encouragement of that candle, that the downward candle that left a big wick. I didn't really want price to close above that, and as you can see, it's respecting it really nicely there. So that's another sign that it wants to go down. I'm pretty sure it's on the 15 minutes. This orange box where price is trading now. I wanted that to come an inversion fair value gap, so it was a BISI. Now it's acting as a SIBI, which is good. So that was another confluence for me to want to go lower. So yeah, there's a entry again if you wanted to get in for that. Another silver bullet, institutional order for entry drill. The low right there, people think this is support, but it's just going to get taken through. It was PPR today as well at 8:30, so it was in about an hour or so, about 40 minutes. So that's why price was a little bit choppy, a little bit slow, but I still just took the trade anyway. This is a paper trade, by the way. But yeah, so now once price takes this low here, you could take partials, but because of the entry that I got, it just didn't feel like taking partials here. I wanted to get it to the sell side, which you'll see in a moment. Again, another institutional order flow entry drill there in that fair value gap. Price now took those stops here. That's where the sell side actually is there. And again, yeah, I drew on the I think it's the 5 or the 15. That consequent encouragement of that wick. I don't want to see it get respected here. So price just playing around in this bearish order block here. Not to worry. If it closes above that, then I'll maybe look to get out, but it's still just trading inside of that. Just playing about. Probably tries to entice buyers into the market here. They think that that's support. So it's just trading, just going sideways here. Take a look at dollar. Again, it's just trading inside that SIBI, now a BISI, so an inversion fair value gap. And then I was just targeting the buy side here. That's the consequent encouragement of either the 5 or the 15, I can't remember, but look at the way it reacted here. So I was a little bit on like not the worried side, but just being cautious. So I just moved my stops to break even because you should take partials once it takes sell side that low. Again, now I don't want to see it respect that, and it did close below it, which is a nice sign of it going lower. So I was a little bit happy with that. And then prices ran now to the sell side in a minute. If you actually look on the daily, if you look on your charts and go on to, there's a SIBI. I'll explain in my Discord if you guys follow my Discord, but feel free to ask where the SIBI is. But if you draw the consequent encouragement, this is where price exactly goes to, the consequent encouragement of that daily SIBI, before reversing and heading up for buy side. It was pretty much to the T. But yeah, that's where I should have took I took partials there, but that's where I should have took my whole position off. And I did eventually anyway. But yeah, shout out to ICT. Feel free to follow my Discord. And yeah, ask any questions or anything like that. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing January and hope you're having a great 2024.